Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Tech Pro. There are tons of AI writing tools on the marketplace these days, and everywhere you go, you'll see people saying each one is the best, often trying to get you to buy it through their affiliate links. Recently, there has been an influx of people using OpenAI.com, which is free and does a fantastic job. However, there's a problem. Google has stated that AI-generated content violates its webmaster guidelines and can lead to a manual penalty. So, should you be worried if you're using these tools? In this video, we will be conducting 5 tests to see if Originality.AI really works. We'll use different types of content, completely unique, AI-generated, rewritten, and paraphrased, across these tests to see how accurately the tool can detect AI content. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these tests to find out how reliable Originality.AI truly is. The link to this platform is available in the video description. To get started with this platform, simply click the Sign Up button and create your account. It's quick and easy, allowing you to unlock all the features and tools that will enhance your content creation process. Here we are inside the Originality.AI dashboard. It looks very slick and clean. You can see I have a brand new account and I haven't run any scans yet. I'm going to use the credits I received to test some different pieces of content. I'm not worried about plagiarism. I just want to see if this tool can correctly detect AI. The first piece of text we'll test is a paragraph on digital marketing, which I had OpenAI create. This is 100% AI content. Let's paste it in and click Scan Now. The result says 100% AI, 0% original, which is true. It's 100% AI now. Let's try another one using Gemini. I had Gemini write a paragraph on the social media topic. I'll paste it in and scan it. We'll not only test if Originality.AI can accurately detect AI-generated content, but we'll also turn on additional features like plagiarism check, fact check, readability, and grammar analysis. This will give us a full picture of how the tool performs across multiple criteria. Gemini is detected as 100% AI, 0% original, which is pretty much the same as the OpenAI result. Next, I'll test some content from a blogging website to see how the software performs. After pasting it in and running the scan, the results show it as 100% AI generated. I then decided to test a piece of content that I wrote myself, and I'm confident it's 100% original. Curious to see how the software would evaluate it, I pasted my text into the tool and ran the scan. The results came back as 100% original and 0% AI generated, which I believe is accurate. This confirms the effectiveness of the software in distinguishing between human-created content and AI-generated material, reinforcing the value of using this tool for content integrity. For this next test, we'll be mixing both AI-written and human-written text to see how Originality.AI handles content that combines both. This will test the tool's ability to distinguish between AI-generated portions and those written by a human. Let's see how accurately Originality.AI can detect mixed content. Here, you can see the results. The content is identified as 76% AI-generated and 24% human-written. This highlights the tool's ability to analyze text effectively, showing a clear distinction between AI influence and human input. From these tests, I can say that Originality.AI has been a very accurate tool. If you use AI to help create content and are concerned about detection and penalties, this tool might be worth considering. If Originality.AI can detect AI content, Google likely can as well. Originality.AI proves to be a highly effective tool for detecting AI-generated content, whether it's entirely AI-written or a mix of AI and human input. Through our tests, the platform accurately identified different types of content, including plagiarism, readability, and grammar, providing a comprehensive analysis. For content creators using AI tools, Originality.AI can be a valuable asset. ensuring your content meets originality standards and helping to avoid potential penalties from search engines like Google. While AI tools are powerful, adding a human touch and using tools like Originality.AI for verification will help you maintain quality and authenticity in your content creation. The link to this platform is available in the video description, so be sure to check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video.